Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video I would like to show you the technical analysis about Xlm Stellar. What's going on with Stellar for today? You can see we are here on TradingView. We have here the 4-hour charts, and you can see on 4-hour sell Xlm, strong sell, saying the moving averages, and oscillators are telling us sell Xlm. On the 1-hour chart, it looks looking similar. Sell on the summary. Moving averages are talking to me strong sell, and the oscillators are neutral. 15 minutes, okay. In a 15 minute we see a buy here, and on the daily we see a sell and 2 neutral here on the technical analysis. That's very, very interesting now for Xlm. On the weekly, the big uptrend is everything is fine, everything is okay, strong buy, everything is good. But on the daily, we have a sell and a neutral and a neutral. Now let's dive into Xlm. Here is TradingView, here is the chart. And yes, yesterday I showed you the big bearish downtrend here. Yesterday I showed you the ABC correction, and yes, perfect. Yesterday we don't know where is the deepest point for Xlm now. We drawed it here because yesterday this was the deepest point. But today we saw another dump here to this point, another week here down to this point. And as you can see, we are now still in the uptrend for Stellar. That's the bottom of the downtrend. That's a good rebuy, a good buy opportunity if you would like to go long here for Xlm. If you would like to go to make a buy in here, and you will make in the next days a good trade with Stellar for a long term, because this is still our uptrend. And yes, this line here is a Fibonacci line, and now we are over this Fibonacci line and we are over this uptrend. Bottom line of the uptrend, everything is looking nice. For the next time, this is the 4-hour chart for Xlm. It's very important. This blue middle line is the next resistance line. You can see it here. The middle line is very important always on trading. You can see it here. It touched it, and it breaks through. From now, in another way, it's a resistance now, and we must break with Stellar over this blue dotted line here. And the next thing is, you can see it here, the red bearish red ribbon band. Stellar has to fight against the ribbon band, fight through this ribbon band. The next thing is Stellar has to fight through this downtrend line, this upper downtrend line. The next thing is Xlm has to fight back against this big resistance 0.55. You can see, guys, there are a lot of fights here for Stellar, for Xlm, a lot of resistances, and it's very difficult for Xlm to pump from here. But this is very important. We are now still in this green uptrend, and that's the important thing. In my opinion, we saw here the point C. This was the deepest point of our correction here. You saw it here. Point 5 was the highest point, about 0.6. Then A, B, C, the correction, and from here maybe we will see a 1 to 5 wave up going here, and that would be a very nice trade opportunity here if we can see it. Let me draw it. Let me take a look about it. The 5 wave up. Maybe we can start here to here. Maybe we retest this Fibonacci again to here. Now we break maybe it to here. Then maybe again back to this, and then maybe back to this. That's a possible breakout scenario for Xlm. That's wonder glass reading from Biti. Yes, I know nobody can tell you the future, but it's a possible lookout in the future. It maybe something like this can happen here for Xlm. That would be a very nice scenario here for me, in my opinion. So that's the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look about Xlm in the 1-hour chart. And here in the 1-hour chart, we are still under the ribbon band, but we are fighting now with the ribbon band. You can see it here. We are still closely under the ribbon band. We have to make a little wick more here up to this ribbon band, and then Stellar would maybe fight with this wave here, with this next growing wave here, or maybe like this wave here. Maybe Stellar can fight back the ribbon band, break down again, and then it can fight up. So this is a possible scenario here for me. Let's take a look about Xlm versus Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dumped really much today also. Xlm BTC And this here is the picture for Stellar. It's not looking better, not really looking better here. You can see it. We have a big red downtrend. We have a little red downtrend also, and we are here in this region here fighting back in this red downtrend. But you can see it, a lot of buts here also. In the 1 hour chart, XLM versus Bitcoin, we are under the ribbon band. We are under the middle line of this bad downtrend. Here is the EMA 200. We're under the EMA 200. So much negative things here for XLM. It's really hard to fight back from here for XLM versus Bitcoin. We need a lot of volume, a lot of luck to fight back here. So we can erase these lines all, and this is, yes, that's the possible scenario. Maybe if XLM will drop more against Bitcoin, possible to drop to this point here. It's very possible. It's the downtrend. It's the bottom of the downtrend. We see a fight back, or as I think, we may see a fight here from this side to the upside, maybe to this. Maybe let's draw it to this here, a little bit down going also, then a little up, a little bit down going, and maybe to this here. So why not? That's possible. We need on the end, we need here up going Stellar. We need here a breakout from Stellar to this side. We need a breakout from these downtrends. That's so important for Stellar to make good moves here, to make a good trade against Bitcoin. So okay guys, that's it. A little bit important now. I can make a drawing here. Is this funny? So we need good I wish Stellar a lot of luck here for this fight against Bitcoin. A lot of luck here to fight back this downtrends, and go Stellar, more up and up and up to the moon. Guys, that's it. It was a very fast TA for XLM. This is XLM versus Bitcoin. Don't forget it. This was a very fast thing here. One thing I would like to watch. Sorry, I forgot the MACD. The MACD is very important. Let's take a look about it very fast. Yes, MACD looks good on the hourly versus Bitcoin. You can see it here, the MACD. The blue line crossed the brown line. So that's here bullish. But now this fight here is so important. This fight with the ribbon band on the 1 hour chart is so important now. Let's look before we end this video. Let's look XLM versus USDT. And let's take a look about the 1 hour chart, the MACD. Yes, the blue line is over the brown line, and that's a bullish thing. Maybe we see now the first wave up here for Stellar, then the next wave down. Let's look about it. We will see this tomorrow if my 1, 2, 3 wave theory is working here for Stellar or not. Guys, I wish you the best luck. Make good trades. It doesn't matter if you are shorting or longing. I wish you millions out there. See you guys. Thanks for your support. Bye bye. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.